What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to use the magic eraser tool on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now you can do this for the standard S22 and S22 Plus, but for this tutorial we're on the S22 Ultra. So let's say you took a photo with your phone and there's something in that photo you did not like. Let's say a photo like this. It's a nice photo, but when you look closely there's someone else in the photo right here, and you might want to get rid of this person or people from the photo. So what you want to do is tap on the edit icon, this little pencil icon, tap on that, and with the editor open, tap on this menu in the bottom right corner and then select object eraser. Now you can go ahead and zoom in on that object you want to remove and then draw a circle around that object and then tap on erase. It's going to erase that object, and then tap on done, and now as you can see that object has been removed from your photo. Now it's not 100% accurate and it might not work the same way for all photos, but really it does a pretty good job at removing things from photos. And that's basically how to use the magic eraser tool on your Galaxy S22. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.